Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to post multiple photos on Facebook Story. To start, open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Here, tap on Create Story. Then tap on Select Multiple. Then select the photos you want to post. After that, tap on Next. Here you can post separate stories or make a collage. Tap on Photo Collage. As you can see, our photos are now in collage form, which you can also post if you want to. Then go back and tap on Discard Story. Here, tap on Separate Stories. You can also post your photos separately. Then tap on Privacy. From here, you can change your privacy. You can also turn off comments and you can choose people to share your stories with. You can also change privacy. Then go back and tap on Share. Now tap on Your Story. As you can see, our post has been uploaded separately. This is how you can post multiple photos on Facebook. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.